Ready? Get the egg, buddy.
Good boy.
Wait, that's all we got. Mama, you should have waited until you got the rest of them for you.
Well, they weren't ready to take out yet.
Oh! 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 No! It's not ready! Roger, stop it. No! No! No!
Wait. Let Mama get this one out. Let's see, which one can we take out? Let's take this one out. This little spoon thing isn't working so well anymore, is it? Okay.
All right, buddy. Get egg.
Good boy.
Okay, that's enough. That's all it'll hold. Yeah, put it in.
Yay,
Good job.
Ranger.
Good job. Now you got eggs.
Well, there's one egg. The one he threw and cracked. Ranger, look at your pretty eggs. Look.
No, you can't stick your fingers in it.
What do you think about that? Look at the pretty colors. Is that pretty?
Yeah.
What do you think about that, Ranger?